Oh crap. That's not good. What is this? What's up everyone? Good morning. It's 6:45, got up early. Actually, yesterday after I got off the creek, I drove back into town, wanted some internet service. So I made about a 20-mile drive back into town. Stealth camped there last night, so I'm not gonna show any of that because it's probably not a great idea. But had service, was able to run through a couple of scenarios in my head that I wanted to see, and basically I thought about heading out to Wyoming. It's Sunday, and just making that 11-12 hour drive today, and then fishing Monday through Friday, and then heading to Salt Lake on Saturday. And then the more I thought about it, the more of a terrible idea that seemed. But I remember this conversation I had with a guy. I was walking out the trail a couple days ago, and he was walking in with his wife, and they saw my truck and recognized my truck. It's crazy. I've like twice now people have recognized me. So, but he was like, "Hey, dude, if you like this stream, you're gonna like this other one that my buddies go do." He said he doesn't fly fish. He said it's like, you know, I couldn't remember where it was at. He didn't exactly know. He was giving me directions, and not being from the area, I wasn't really familiar. But he did name the ridge, and he said if you cross this mountain, you're gonna be right on the stream. This is where everybody goes. This is like local, like, you know, great fishing, and if you've liked it here, you're gonna really love it there. So I said, cool. Thanks for the information. Didn't really like think anything of it, but I got back last night, started looking at the map, and I remembered the name of the mountain. He was like, if you cross this mountain, you'll go. So that's what I've done. I found the mountain, found the Forest Service road that crosses the mountain, and I thought, hey, cool, it's gonna be great. With all the forest fires in the area, the first thing I saw when I got here haven't had a lot of fun with the forest fires here so far. I've been here for a week. Actually, I just crossed over 5 weeks in the truck bed, camping on this road trip. Truck's handling great. Forest fires in Idaho have been an issue. Lots of roads have been closed. This one, who knows what's gonna happen with it. I'm gonna go ahead and make the drive and just see. If nothing else, I'll turn around. It's not that big a deal. I had nothing else planned for today. Was planning, you know, like resupplying, stocking up, doing whatever, hanging out, chilling. So if nothing else, I'm just driving down the Forest Service road at 6:45 in the morning with a cup of coffee and some food just to keep me company for a little while until I eat all that. That's a pretty good day. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we'll just figure this out. If it's you know, it's one of those places that could just be incredible. It could be the best, you know, spot on the trip. So it's worth it to me to waste a day if that's what happens. Definitely smoky. It's been on this both sides of the ridge. The trail is kind of, or the road's crossed over on both sections. All right, what's up everyone? We finally made it to the stream. It was a quite a journey, so already started looking around, got my stuff all ready, came out here. It's a pretty cool spot. So I'm pretty excited, I'm ready to go fish, but I need to go get my solar shower out and get my solar panels, connect those, go and start charging some batteries, and
get my shower ready. I think with the amount of time they took me to get here, I'll probably be here for a couple of days. This is pretty amazing. So, but we'll see what the fishing's like first, and then make decisions after that. But just doesn't get much better so far. So I'm liking the location. So pretty awesome. Yeah, let me get to work. Oh crap, that's not good. What is this? Water. That's what you got. It's all water, but let's check it out just to be sure. Nice to have skid plates. That's funny. I was walking away. Look down. Yeah. I'll check, make sure I don't see anything leaking, but that was jammed up underneath there, so. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can find some fish. Saw that stick sticking out and I was like, oh no. Don't tell me that's jammed up in a fuel can or fuel tank or transmission, but it looks like it just went off to the side. So let's wait out there and see what we see. So well, first fish will be foul hook. Alright. I'm happy with you since you're the first fish here. right, super fun day. Lots of fish. It's pretty fish. Finished a good one over here on the end. So, but I'm beat. I still got to hike out of here. Hopefully I can find a shortcut. So I'm gonna look, but no matter how it goes, I got to get down about a mile to a trail. So we're gonna go that way. All right, let's do dinner. I'm hungry. Haven't had a real meal all day. Had a bagel for breakfast, Vienna sausage, and a Cliff Bar for lunch, and whatever I just said, steak and fajita meat with white rice for dinner. That's gonna be it. Oh, I did sneak in a couple of these Reese's Chips Ahoy cookies because they're good. When I was driving through town, the grocery store I stopped at had some more of the seasoned fajita steak meat or whatever. That stuff was so good last time. I'm gonna do that with some instant white rice. Mix it all together so it'd be super quick. All right, guys, this is dinner. Simple, quick. It was already basically a meal in a bag from the grocery store. All I had to do was add some rice to it, and it is delicious. So, yeah, fun day. We're gonna sign off with this. See you guys in the morning. Start over again. Fish the stream some more. Super happy here. Idaho's freaking, fantastic. So, if you guys got any questions, drop them below. Yeah, gonna eat this dinner, hang out for a little bit, and probably try to get some sleep. I'm tired. Thanks for watching the video.